The game's download link will direct you to a shared Microsoft OneDrive folder like this one. Just click on the download button on the upper left corner. All subfolders and files within the shared folder will be downloaded and packaged into a single zip file. Once the file is ready, you can decompress it and extract all of its contents. Windows 10 has a built-in zip file decompressor to unzip the file. Simply right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. After you get the game folder ready, all you need to do is to double-click on the exe file and the game will start. Once you are in the game, you're controlling a human character avatar in a 3D game world representing downtown Watertown. The starting location of the character is by the lot of 17 West Camp Avenue, the site where we are proposing a new boutique hotel development. You can press W, A, S, D keys to move around and move your mouse to look around. If you press space, you'll be switching to control drone. In the drone mode, besides WASD keys for movement controls, you can also press Q or E to hover down or hover up. Also, you can press C multiple times to activate alternate camera views. You can press space again to restore the human character mode, where you can press tab to toggle first-person and third-person views. Left shift key to control the movement speed and right shift key to apply different bodily gestures. The crouched walking gesture can simulate the moving speed and views of those who use wheelchairs. Now let's talk about how we can play the design game. The hypothetical hotel building in front of your character is not static. Its current appearance is merely one of a million possibilities. You can adapt its facade design using the game design menus, which can be turned on and off by pressing M. When design menu is on, you will be able to move the mouse cursor to interact with them. To change views with design menus on, you need to click and drag the left or right mouse button. There are several interactive menus. I'm going to start with the design parameters menu on the left. Each item in the menu corresponds to a design parameter, which controls a particular geometrical aspect of the design. Moving their sliders will generate different design outcomes. For example, the first two parameters control the vertical and horizontal intervals between windows. Moving their sliders will adapt the design. Feel free to modify other parameters. Note that some parameters are correlated. A slider may not be available for adjustment unless another slider is set properly. You can use the Design Parameters menu to manually create your design or speed up the process by using the Design Generation menu to randomize multiple parameters at the same time and automatically generate a design. Each time you press the Generation button, you will see a new design popping up and sliders in Design Parameters menu have moved. You can choose to lock up some parameters by clicking on the toggle switches by their sliders. For example, you can lock up the window dimensions when generating new designs. There are a few design generation modes to choose from. You can move the slider on the right to apply a specific generation mode and generate design of a specific style. Next, I'm going to talk about the design evaluation system. For all designs generated in the game, whether manually or automatically, there is a scoring system that evaluates them. This diamond-shaped radar chart shows the evaluative results of the current facade design. It has 4 corners. Each represents a specific evaluative item. You can hover your mouse cursor over those scores to find out what they mean. These evaluative items may carry different amount of importance to reflect different real-world design evaluation scenarios. Using drop-down menus, you can apply a specific weight to each of the evaluative items. The total score displayed in bold font here is the weighted average of all 4 evaluative item scores. You can see that the total score changes as you manipulate the weight assignments. You may want to patiently generate a design and tinker it in order to get better evaluation score. But there is a fast option. The game provides a very efficient automatic design generation and optimization procedure through the Design Optimization menu. In this menu, you simply need to set the size of the sample pool and press this button to launch the fully automatic design optimization procedure. The game will generate and compare as many designs as the sample size and then retrieve the design with the highest evaluation score. Applying different evaluation setups directly impact automatic design optimization results. For example, we can assign zero weight to the amount of street-facing hotel rooms and full weight to window proportions. The optimization result is a facade design that features fewer rooms but bigger room windows and more traditional room proportions. Besides these major menus, there are a few other ones with various functions. The environmental settings menu allows you to set up the time of day and weather conditions. The facade paneling menu is for manipulating facade paneling systems. You can create different patterns of facade panels or tiles through this menu. Following overlaying instructions provided by the menu to define specific wall panel patterns organized around attractor points. The Materials and Details menu offers various options of building materials and design details to specify the building's final appearance. You can use the menu to define a material and design detail template, then create a new design applying the template. If you create a design that you particularly like or have some thoughts about, simply type in your thoughts in the comments box. Then press F9 on your keyboard to get a screenshot of the design along with all overlaying menus and your comments. You can also press F12 to get a clear screenshot of your design at any time without overlaying menus. You can retrieve those screenshots in one of the subfolders of the game folder. Feel free to share them over social media and proudly tell others that you have a thought about the future of downtown Watertown.